acne and sensitive skin can coexist. It is especially problematic because acne-prone skin tends to be associated with the overproduction of sebum, and yet we understand skin sensitivity as a problem with dry skin. While it may seem paradoxical, such a phenomenon, also described as the oily dehydrated skin phenomenon, can be explained this way. Dry skin isn't necessarily just dehydrated. We are referring to a disrupted skin barrier, which can occur in the presence of excess oil production. Have you heard of the acne-sensitive skin paradox? Well, join me this week as we delve into the science of this. Access this complimentary tutorial created as part of the upcoming Skincare Formulation Series, a course created for advanced practitioners. Join me, Dr. TWL, as I impart my expertise in treating sensitive skin types with advanced skincare routine techniques. Learn to choose cosmeceutical products for non-prescription acne therapy. All this and more on Dermatologist Talks Science of Beauty.